This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change Dodge Charger side markers. First, gather your essential tools: a plastic pry tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and your brand new side markers. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch before beginning any work. This simple preparation ensures both your safety and the smooth execution of the task. Working in a well-lit area will also greatly improve visibility, making the entire process much easier and more efficient for you. Now let's remove the old side markers. Take your plastic pry tool and carefully insert it into the small gap behind the side marker. Apply gentle, steady pressure to pry the marker outward. You will feel it unclip from its housing with a soft pop. Once loose, gently pull the marker away from the fender. Locate the electrical connector, press its small release tab, and carefully disconnect it. This step is crucial to avoid damaging the wiring harness. With the old marker removed, it's time to install your brand new one. First, take your new side marker and carefully connect its electrical plug to the vehicle's existing wiring harness. Ensure it clicks firmly into place for a secure connection. Next, align the new marker with the opening in the fender, making sure the tabs are correctly oriented. Apply firm, even pressure to the marker until you hear and feel it click securely into its housing. It should sit flush with the fender. Finally, let's test your newly installed side markers. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate your headlights or parking lights. Walk around your Dodge Charger and visually confirm that both new side markers illuminate correctly and consistently. They should be bright and free of any flickering. If everything looks good, you've successfully completed the installation. Enjoy the refreshed and enhanced appearance of your Dodge Charger with its brand new side markers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.